Are you still using that goofy PFP for your channel?
Hell no, man.
Today I am gonna give you a customized PFP pack. This pack contains 10 PFP presets. I will drop the presets when this video hits 20 likes. So without no more talking, let's get into the preview.